I'd always heard that cottonwood was hard to work with. I'd heard it would fuzz when you would cut it, it would crack, it was ugly, and it would even stink when it was burnt. So it was better to just leave it alone. So, naturally, when my supplier asked if I was interested in his cottonwood slabs, I gave a quick, nah. But then he said he would throw them in for free if I just took them off his property. My tone shifted immediately, and I forgot everything I'd ever heard about cottonwood. Here's a good example of one of those problems that you have with cottonwood, and that's the cracking. But all it takes is a little bit of work with a chisel and good to go. Unfortunately, the epoxy that I used to fill this void picked up a few bubbles, which is a great place to store extra sanding dust. I just wish it looked a little bit better. This is where we get to wake up the wood and see if we made a good choice or if we wasted our time. I'm about to do something that a lot of you are going to really hate. I'm going to take this gloss down to satin. The problem with the gloss is threefold. One, I don't like the plastic look. Two, I don't like the plastic feel. And three, my optical mouse just isn't going to work on that glossy finish. I prefer this satin finish, but please tell me how many of you would have kept it glossy?